Thank you for taking the time to attend Holtek 2024 new product presentation. I'm Quincy, Holtek sales rep. Very welcome your visit. This year we will focus on two topics. The first one is the smart living and Internet of Things. And after the break, we are moving on to the second topic, the green energy. It is a great honor to share the product information with you that center around the application scenario to show how Holtek works in real application. Hope this brings you a better understanding about Holtek solution and give you a valuable insight in achieving your new design and accelerating the design cycle. So thank you again for being here. Let's get started with the first topic, smart living and Internet of Things. As we all know, the smart living has brought a huge change. With the advanced technology and the smart devices has improved the quality of life and enhanced the efficiency, and also introduced the convenient lifestyle. With the maturity of the IoT technology, smart devices has achieved data sharing, information exchange. So with those innovative products, we can reach far beyond the traditional boundaries. And this year, we're going to discuss 5 categories to explore the new era of the smart living and Internet of Things. They are health management, safety care, low power devices, smart appliance, and interface processing. Health management, according to the intelligent research, the global home health care market will experience near 15% growth over the next decade, reach a market size about $1.5 trillion US. So Holtek provides a range of cost-effective healthcare solutions, which has been widely adopted by the international manufacturers. And over the past 4 years, the cumulative sales result has reached 257 million units. Holtek's health care management products are given surrounding the physical body position. And this year, we are going to introduce 3 new products. The first is BLE CGM solution. CGM stands for Continuous Glucose Meter. The CGM AFE MCU BH66 series work together with the 32-bit BLE MCU as the solution. And second, we will introduce the high-accuracy blood glucose meter, the new BH67F2477, more cost-effective. And the third, we will introduce the 32-bit multi-in-one health measurement solution. The CGM wearable device can continuous and round-the-clock monitor the glucose data and transmit the data via Bluetooth to the smartphone for health analysis. And the CGM AFE MCU BH66F series has 3 features: low power consumption, small size, and high integration. They have 2 different working voltage, 1.5 volts and 3 volts set separately. But both of these two microcontrollers work together with the 32-bit BLE MCU as the solution. And look at the CGM AFE MCU series altogether. We have two new this year and one existing. They have two different working voltage, 1.5 volts and 3 volts. And the new generation CGM AFE supports a very low standby current at 4.1 microamp. And also a very small size package, WLCSP type, is available. So the package size is as small as a chip label. So that makes this series a very small size and low power consumption, very suitable for wearable device. For the high accuracy glucose meter, we have the new BH672477 series, a very cost effective, and it has built in the bioimpedance analysis function, allow it to measure HCT value. HCT is the abbreviation of hematocrit, so the feature makes it suitable for particular group of people like elders and children. The new BH67F2477 has improved in the AFE architecture, so it maintains the major accuracy but more cost effective. And we look at the multifunction health measurement MCU, the 32-bit series. They are ARM-based, and this series supports 3 kinds of AFE feature: infrared temperature measurement, blood pressure measurement, and blood glucose measurement. And it also integrates an LCD driver. Compare these two parts. These two micros have the same feature overall, but different in the results. Standard or more advanced in the ROM size or RAM size and the LCD driver. And next, we are going to introduce the new 4 health measurement modules. Blood pressure measurement module. It features high measurement accuracy, small size, and low power consumption. And more importantly, it has built-in algorithm, so user no need to do the calibration. And next is the ultrasonic oxygen concentration and flow detection module. It features phase response and high accuracy to ensure a stable measurement. And again, it also have the built-in algorithm, so user no need to do the calibration. The third one is the infrared temperature measurement digital sensor. This sensor integrates thermopile and temperature sensor all together to enhance the sensitivity. And this module comes into TO46 package type, make it very small size. So in general, this module features high accuracy and small size, are very suitable for smart appliances. And next one is the digital weighing sensor. It features high integration with the high accuracy and small size feature. So it is very suitable for the smart appliances like a coffee machine, water dispenser, and other kind of devices that has space constraint. That's the end of the health and measurement category. Holtek and its technical service daughter company, Best Health, are your best support for IC consultant, development tool, and product application. And next is the safety care. In our daily life, dangers are present. So the earlier we can identify the dangerous, the threats, the better we can avoid the accident. So let's look at the safety care products. As the awareness of fire security is rising and the regulation is more and more stringent, so the fire security product becomes an essential part of our life. The market size is steady or growing at the annual growth rate near 6%, which emphasizes the importance and the market demand. Holtek has deeply engaged in this area and provide the high integration ASSP MCU to help the customer simplify the circuit design. And over the past 5 years, the cumulative sales result have reached 160 million units. Holtek security product line is extensive and diverse. And this year, we are going to introduce 4 kinds of new products in smoke alarm, gas detection sensors, and smart evacuation system, and PIR motion detection. According to the fire regulation, smart buildings are required to establish a fire control room to monitor the building's safety. So we are going to introduce the new product in automatic fire alarm system, which is smoke detection product, HT32L series. And also new product in smart evacuation system, which is smart evacuation indicate BA45 series. Let's look at the smoke detection MCU family. In the past, Holtek products are centered around the 8-bit core to provide the solution for standalone type, networking type, and wireless type. But in recent years, the demand for 32-bit become stronger. And so Holtek introduced the very first ultra-low power 32-bit smoke detector MCU, HT32L62141, and it features low power consumption and high results. HT32L62141 features the low power consumption. It reduced the standby current by 71% compared with the general purpose. And it also built in the dual wavelength smoke detection to reduce the false alarm rate. And also the built-in failure alarm function make these products very reliable and trustable. In a fire, we need to find an evacuation sign and go to the exit. immediately. So we need to ensure the evacuation sign work properly. Traditionally, that require a manual inspection to test each device and consider the efficiency and the labor cost. Automatic scheduling and testing system is introduced to address this challenge. So the system is centralize the power supply and control the network devices to have a timely feedback when the fault happens. Smart evacuation indicates a BA45 series is to withstand 60 volts to comply with the new regulation in China. And it also supports 3-channel LED constant current control for different LED brightness control. And it also built in the short circuit protection to make this part more reliable. And we are going to introduce the module. VOC digital sensor and airflow rate digital sensor. VOC digital sensor is to detect violate organic compounds which is emitted from the furniture or the decoration material which cause the potential risk to the physical body. So the VOC digital sensor that is suitable to use in a fresh air system and the product like air purifier. And airflow rate digital sensor. In a thermal cooling system, airflow rate it affects the cooling efficiency. And in a fresh air system, airflow is the key factor to decide the air exchange rate. So use this module in the system can ensure a smooth airflow and ensure the system working frequency. As the drunk driving often cause car accident and result in heartbreaking consequence. So in consequence, the government around the world legislate the traffic regulation to regulate the drunk driving. So the alcohol test market is steady growing at the annual growth rate about 7.2%. We are going to introduce electrochemical alcohol detection module. As its part number description, this module has built-in electrochemical type alcohol sensor. And during the test, the built-in air pump can keep a constant air intake, and also the feature temperature compensation can make the measurement more accurate. So this module can meet the standard for high precision alcohol concentration measurement instruments like a police use model. And we also have an MEMS alcohol digital sensor. This one is a relatively simple one, and it features 4 label alcohol concentration measurement. It is a simple one, suitable for self-test use. And look at the comparison between these two. The electrochemical alcohol detection module features the wide measure range and high accuracy, and also built in the air pump to ensure a precise air intake. So it is suitable for high-end model. And the MEMS is more cost-effective, better for personal self-test use. PIR is to detect the change in temperature, and PIR smart lighting can control the light on and off when a person coming over or leaving away to avoid energy waste. Look at the PIR product family. We already have the PIR modules, sensors, and the micros. And this year, we are going to introduce the PIR ASIC IC BA76220. It features low power consumption, and we provide a parameter setting platform. This PIR ASIC IC that features low power consumption, and the parameter setting platform allow users to set the delay time, sensitivity, and the shift between day mode and night mode. So Holtek daughter company N-Chip provide application solution and technical consultant for safety care products. And we hope Holtek product is helpful for you, and we look forward to working together for a better, safer environment. And next, we have a look at a low power device. As the awareness of energy saving and carbon reduction is rising, so the ultra low power consumption microcontroller draw higher attention than before, and the market size is steady growth at the annual growth rate near 22%. So in response to this market trend, Holtek continue to expand the ultra-low power product line. In addition to the existing 8-bit ultra-low power products, this year we're going to introduce two new products, that is the 32-bit L series, the ultra-low power 32-bit microcontroller, and the low power consumption comparator HT93 series. And the ultra-low power product line can cover a very diverse range of the application, like energy harvesting products, battery-powered, small sensors, and home appliances. The HT32L ultra-low power series can be used in smart appliances like a door lock and the tablet peripheral. And the low power comparator is more commonly used in an alarm device like a refrigerator alarm. And the 32L can also used in the computing peripheral like a headset and its charging case and power bank as well. And while the 8-bit microcontroller that more commonly used in like NFC tech sensor. The 32-bit L series reduce the power consumption and the leakage current to make it more power saving, but it doesn't sacrifice the performance and the resource. The system frequency is up to 48 megahertz, and it built in a reach in peripherals. In order to achieve a more power saving, the HT32L series that adopted new fresh accelerator architecture to have more power saving. And at the operating mode, the power consumption is reduced by 46% compared with the general purpose series. And in deep sleep mode, the minimum standby current reduced significantly by 87%. So the HT32L provides many levels of the power saving. At run mode, the power consumption can be as small as 3.5 microamp, and it also provides 3 levels of power saving mode: sleep mode, deep sleep mode, and deep power down mode, which is the most power saving when the core is off. So summarize the feature of the 32L series. It provides many levels of power saving mode, and it doesn't sacrifice the resource rich in peripherals, and it also improves the performance. The I/O support 5-volt tolerance, and the working voltage is up to 105 degrees. Here are the low power peripherals. We already have the existing low power OP amplifier, and this year we're going to introduce the low power comparator HT93, 111, and 121. The architecture is the same, rail to rail, and power consumption is 1.3 microamp. So look at the detail of the feature. That is a wide voltage range and low standby current, low propagation delay, rail-to-rail architecture. So this comparator is suitable for alarm device, and also that is a company to adopt in the anti-thief product in supermarkets and in other kind of store. So that's the end of the low power device, and thank you for your attention.